Hello friends, we are going to start a new topic of biochemistry, that is digestion and absorption of protein. In this, first of all, we have to understand that we will divide this topic into two parts: digestion of protein and absorption of protein. First of all, for digestion of protein we require prolytic enzyme. For digestion protein we require prolytic enzyme. That is, what is the work of prolytic enzyme? The work of prolytic enzyme is to break down of peptide bond. What is peptide bond? Peptide bond is between n double bond o, c double bond o and n h. This bond has to be broken. So prolytic enzyme work is to break down a peptide bond. It includes, which type of enzyme it includes? It includes protease and peptidase. Protease and peptidase are in the class of hydrolase, is in the class of hydrolase. So peptide, when you talk about the enzyme peptidase, it has two types of enzyme. Two types, it can be divided in two types, that is endopeptidase and exopeptidase. Endopeptidase, it acts on peptide bond within the polypeptide chain. Means if this is the chain, it will act within the polypeptide chain. Exopeptidase is like it will act at outer part, toward the end, act on peptide bond at the end of polypeptide chain. Exopeptidase can be subdivided into two categories, that is carboxypeptidase and amino peptidase. By name, it can we can understand it act on it act on carboxyl in that C terminal, and amino peptidase act on N terminal. It act on N terminal. Now we talk about the site of protein digestion, where protein digestion occur. For example, it occur in stomach. Later we will study it also occur in pancreas. It occur in small intestine. So first of all, when we start talking, we say in stomach, we are having first enzyme is renin and chymosin. Renin is older name which we are using. Chymosin is nowadays used term. So renin, seen in infant, absent in adult. Seen in infant, absent in adult. What happen in milk? There is protein, that is casein, is present. In milk there is a protein named casein is present, which in the presence of renin, what do the renin do? It is curdles the milk. It's do the curdlings of milk. So casein is converted to paracasein in presence of renin. Another enzyme is pepsin. Pepsin is in secreted by pepsin. We have to discuss about pepsin. In stomach, chief cell produce pepsinogen by term ozen you can say it is a inactive form. It is also called maybe called as zymogen means enzyme which is in inactive form. Basically it is a precursor, matlab means that before enzyme acting, the enzyme should be in active form in stomach, so as to prevent the excessive if acid form, if some problematic, some everything has to be in active form before in active form. So in presence of HCl, pepsinogen is converted to pepsin, that is in active form. So what do the pepsin work? Pepsin work is to convert protein into peptones and proteases. Pepsin work is to convert protein into peptones and proteases. Now we move to the next enzyme which we are talking about, that is in the pancreas. Pancreatic juice contains zymogen, that is inactive form of enzymes such as trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, proelastase, carboxypeptidase. First of all, we will talk about the three enzyme, that is trypsinogen, chymotrypsin, proelastase. In active form, it is endonuclease enzyme. It is endopeptidase, not nuclease. It is endopeptidase. Trypsin, chymotrypsin, proelastase is endopeptidase, and carboxypeptidase is exopeptidase. First of all, we talk about trypsinogen acts at peptide bond formed by basic amino acid. Acts a peptide bond where it acts on peptide bond where formed by basic amino acid. Basic amino acid examples such as arginine and lysine. Now we talk about chymotrypsin acts on peptide bond where aromatic amino acid will there, amino acid are there. Aromatic amino acids such as phenylalanine and tryptophan. Means I'm saying that it acts where there is aromatic amino acid such as phenylalanine, tryptophan. Which enzyme will act there? Chymotrypsin. Now is proelastase acts on peptide bond formed by a small neutral amino acid. Where there is a neutral amino acid such as alanine, it will there a enzyme called proelastase will act in active form. So carboxy another is exopeptidase. It is a exopeptidase. Carboxypeptidase produces small peptides. Activation of zymogen. Activation of zymogen microvilli of intestine secrete introkinase or intropeptidase, we can say, in presence in trypsinogen in presence of introkinase or intropeptidase convert into trypsin. Trypsinogen in presence of introkinase intropeptidase convert to trypsinogen. Trypsin in presence of chymotrypsinogen in presence of trypsin convert to chymotrypsin. Chymotrypsinogen in presence of trypsin convert to chymotrypsin. And also proelastase in presence of trypsin convert to elastase. So you can see that there is the more importance of enzyme known as enzyme known as trypsin, because trypsin convert chymotrypsin to trypsinogen to chymotrypsin, proelastase to elastase. Now we talk about enzyme in third parties. Small intestine. A small intestine secrete succus intricus. It is digestive enzyme in a small intestine. Here complete digestion occur. It secrete three enzyme, that is tripeptidase, dipeptidase, aminopeptidase. Here complete protein digestion occur. A small peptide converted into the amino acid. What happens in pancreas? It is converted to a small peptides. After a small peptides, it is converted to amino acid. It is in a small intestine. It is converted to amino acid. Now we will talk about the absorption of protein. Absorption of protein. Sodium dependent ATPase import various set for absorption of protein, such as neutral amino acids are there. Basic amino acid like arginine and lysine, amino acid proline, acidic amino acid. Absorption of protein. How I'm in this para we are trying to say that sodium dependent ATPase import various set of absorption occur by neutral amino acid, basic amino acid, acidic amino acid, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, and beta alanine. Now there is important cycle known as Meissner cycle or gamma glutamine cycle. In this gamma glutamine cycle or Meissner cycle, glutathione mediated process. It is a glutathione mediated process. First of all, it is mediated by glutathione. So how this chain of reaction occur? Glutathione. First of all, we have to understand that glutathione contain gamma glutamine cysteine glycine. Means first enzyme is gamma glutamine, second is cysteine, and third is glycine. So in presence of amino acid, it is in presence of amino acid and gamma glutamyl transpeptide, that is GGT, we can call it GG3, that is it is converted into cysteine glycine and gamma cysteine glycine and gamma glutamyl amino acid. I'm saying again, glutathione contain three things. It is combination of three things, that's gamma glutamyl, cysteine and glycine. In presence of gamma glutamine transpeptidase, it is converted to cysteine glycine and gamma glutamyl amino acid. So cysteine glycine, it is broken down into two things, that is glycine and cysteine. As it contains two things, it is cysteine glycine, so it is broken down to cysteine and glycine. So gamma glutamyl amino acid is gamma glutamine amino acid broken amino acid is removed out, so there is glutamate is there. In presence of glutamate, in presence of cysteine, it is converted to gamma glutamine cysteine. Glutamate in presence of cysteine is converted to gamma glutamine cysteine. Gamma glutamine cysteine in presence of glycine, it is converted to gamma glutamine cysteine glycine. So this reaction continues. Gamma glutamine cysteine, also we can say a Meissner cycle. It is mediated by glutathione mediated process. Glutathione contain, as already said, it contain gamma glutamic acid, cysteine and glycine. Gamma glutamic acid, cysteine and glycine. So this ends the talk about the digestion absorption of protein. So read from Satyanarayana also about protein. You may see there, that is diseases applied aspect from there. So main point, quick recap of main point of these are like digestion absorption of protein. In this we talk about prolytic enzyme, breakdown of peptide bond. Read from Satyanarayana once, then you will clear through this topic. Breakdown of peptide bond include protease and peptidase. It is in the class hydroxylase. It has two things, that endopeptidase, exopeptidase. Endopeptidase means it occur within it is out to C terminal, N terminal. Cytoplasm, stomach and stomach, renin, pepsin. In pancreas, there is three things, that is trypsinogen, chymotrypsin and elastase are endopeptidase, and carboxypeptidase is exopeptidase, is written here. Activation of zymogens in trypsinogen in introkinase trypsin, it is converted to trypsin. Chymotrypsinogen is converted to chymotrypsin. Proelastase is converted to elastase. Small intestine, in small intestine is there like enzyme digestive secreted, intestinal juice secreted, that is succus entericus. Absorption of protein, that is neutral, basic, amino, acidic, beta, thione. This is cycle very important for PG entrance. And glutathione is converted, is there in gamma glutamic acid, cysteine and glycine. So it is converted to, in the presence of amino acid and gamma glutamine transpeptidase, is converted to it is broken into two parts, that is cysteine glycine and gamma glutamine. Glutamate form is there and cysteine. So you can understand that this is again glutathione form. Hope you liked this video and share to other friends, and bye. Thanks for watching.